In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an invoice in QuickBooks Enterprise. Now, there's actually two ways. The first one is from the Home tab. You could click on the Home tab under your shortcuts, and then you can click on Create Invoices over here, or you can go to Customers up top, and you can click on Create Invoices over here. If you like keyboard shortcuts, you could also use Ctrl+I on your keyboard, and it's going to open this thing over here, which essentially is the creation window for invoices. So here you basically have to do a few things. You want to first select your customer. I'm going to click on a random one over here. This is just some random demo data over here. Now what I'm going to do is, of course, select a class as well, which I can do too. I can select templates, dates, invoice numbers, who I'm billing to, etc. Now again, don't worry, this is some random data over here, which was generated for demo purposes by QuickBooks over here. And I can then go ahead and just put in different item codes like this. I can go ahead and put in different sites over here, the quantities as well. I can go and put in serial numbers, descriptions, prices, etc. Okay, so whenever you do all this, I'm actually going to put a price on here as well. You can go down here and put on a customer message if you wanna, such as the memo as well, and you can go ahead and select your text, and then you can just click on Save and New or Save and Close, and that way you've successfully created an invoice in QuickBooks Enterprise. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.